Okay, we have our posts ready to go up. You can see the header up there is where the posts are going to go. And they're all nailed together. We have our bases. And right there's our 3 posts. Our jack is over here. Brought that up. These are great jacks. So we'll get that in place. I'm hoping we just have to lift it up a little bit to get the posts in. But honestly, I'm not sure. We'll have to maybe adjust the bases. I do have some slate. It's about a 1/4 inch, a little thicker, 3/8. So if I need to use that, I will. I can always put another layer of stone on. So we'll just start with one and work our way across. As soon as we get one in, we can remove these temporary supports and it'll just look so much better. And then I can either start making supports or we start cutting rafters and do the next part and start working our way across that. So exciting day. It's Saturday. I pretty much have all day I could work on this. Not saying I will, but I could. And Lucas is going to help me with the posts. And we have Ava and Maya out here joining us. I'm sure they'll be in on the action. And we're going to get the music out. Get our job site radio going with our iPod. And get to work.